guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video and welcome to another episode of I Have a Shopping Problem and Won't Admit It. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Obviously by the intro, you guys already know what's up. You guys know that it's going to be a Sephora haul. If you guys are a loyal subscriber, then you know probably once a month you can guarantee that I'm going to upload some type of haul because I have a serious addiction to makeup and to Sephora and to Ulta, and I can't resist a good deal and like whatever. So today's video is going to be a Sephora haul and a slight Ulta haul. Like there's a little bit of Ulta, but there's a whole lot of Sephora in this video. Okay, all right. So I'm gonna shut up and stop talking because I'm really excited to talk to you guys about some of these products. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. There is a hair. I'm literally looking, and there's a hair like that I'm looking at that's on my eye. Oh my god. Anyways, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's jump into this video. I have some stuff here. I got some stuff here. Like, there's a whole lot. So I'm actually going to start with Ulta because there's not that much from Ulta. So I don't know if you guys saw last week, but Trend Mood posted that Ulta was doing like this sale on KKW fragrance, and like all of her fragrances were like $10, like $10 to $15, and they're usually $40 to $60. So of course I saw the post like 2 hours after it was posted, and of course everything that I really would have purchased and really would have loved was already sold out but one thing. So I picked up the KKW fragrance diamonds, like her collab with her sisters. This is like the first diamond collab that they did. I picked up Kim's. My box was broken, so I just have to be careful. But this is the one that I picked up, just the clear one. I have spoke about this before on my channel. It's not a scent that, by the way, this video is almost like 80% perfume, so just get ready, okay? So this perfume isn't like one that you would smell in the bottle that it's gonna be like, oh my god, it's amazing, like it smells so good. You're gonna be like, oh, like that's cool, like I'm not like blown away by it. But for whatever reason, like the longer this perfume is on throughout the day, the better it smells. Like I remember the first time I really actually like wore it for like long period of time, throughout the day it just got better and better, and I was like, hold up, there's some like hidden magic up in this perfume. So even though I wanted like other ones more than I wanted this one, for $10 I will buy this perfume every single day. Like seriously, I really hope that Ulta does that again. I don't know if it was a glitch. I'm thinking it was a glitch, or maybe it was, well, I don't know if it was a glitch because like they were sold out and then the next day they were back to full price and fully in stock. So I'm pretty sure it was just like, oh hey, we're gonna like fuck with you and put these on sale and then say they're sold out and then put them back up to regular price tomorrow type of deal, which, you know, I understand, I get it, but I really wish they would have kept the sale longer because I wanted other perfumes. But I digress. Anyways, all right, so the next thing that I picked up from, oh wait, no, this isn't from Ulta, this is from CVS. What am I even talking about? So one thing from CVS, this is the Wet n Wild micro brow pencil. It's what I have on my brows today. I was just in CVS and I needed a brow pencil, and I was like, let me try this out. This thing is super pigmented. Like I was putting it in my brows and I was like, this is real pigmented. This is in the shade soft brown, and usually I'm cool with the shade soft brown, but this one is a little darker than I would like. But spooling it out and just kind of dispersing the product wasn't that big of a deal. I was able to really make it look just like any other like normal brow wiz or brow pencil. Loving it so far. And then the last thing I picked up from Ulta was the new NARS Climax liquid eyeliner. It's the eyeliner that I have on right now. I did a full TikTok on this eyeliner, so if you were interested, make sure that there's a dog hair floating in front of me. Make sure that you are following me on TikTok because I do like little mini videos on there with like makeup reviews. So make sure you're following me on TikTok at Danielle Blends. Same thing as my YouTube tag. Just type it in, I will come right up. But anyway, so I did a full review on this in that video on TikTok, but I was really surprised by this. So this is what it looks like. I love that it's red. So it is like a double-sided liner. I don't know if you can really tell, but this side is the skinny side and then this side is the fat side. So if you're going for like a thicker liner or a thinner liner, you can make it happen with this eyeliner. It is a little bit of a learning curve because I'm used to just like one straight type of shape, but since this is like a different type of shape, and if you turn the liner a little bit, it's going to give you a totally different shape. As you can see, my wing is pretty big. It's because I was like kind of struggling, but not really struggling, trying to get it to like look good and just kind of work. But I mean, it's really pigmented, and I am wearing a like really shimmer metallic happening underneath here, and I didn't even have to like grab another liner to go over my liner. Like this did the job on its own, which is awesome because typically when I have shadow on like this, I have to use one liner to like draw it out, because then it just becomes a total mess, and then I have to go over it with another liner to really make it black. And this, I didn't have any issues, so that is awesome. Okay, so now we're just gonna go right into Sephora and talk about the rest of the stuff that I picked up. So this I've been wanting to pick up for a while. The cap just fell out. So it's open because I have already used this already. I've been wanting to pick this up for over a year, but I don't know why. I just always kind of stopped myself, and then I was in Sephora the other day and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna pick this up. This is the Ordinary Glycolic Acid Toner. This is what it looks like. This is like that viral toner that went completely viral last year because of Skincare by Hiram, and it's like an exfoliating toner. So I tried it one time. It's not something that I would recommend using every single day. I think it says that you can. It says use ideally in the PM, because obviously it is like a deep not deep, but it is like an exfoliant type of product, so it is going to make your skin more sensitive to the sun. So obviously using it at night is ideal. But I used it one night, and the next day I woke up and my skin was really just like, it looked really plumped and just like bright and not dull. So I'm thinking that has to do with this. I've only used it once because I don't want to like overkill it with my skin, so I will probably use it again maybe tonight or like a few nights from now. But so far so good. I had no reactions. My skin didn't get red, because it says on the bottle, skin irritation starts, discontinue use immediately. So I was a little nervous that I was going to have some type of irritation, but I was a-okay. So far, so good. Okay, so up next, I spoke about the mini version of this, I think in my last haul, but I love that so much that I literally had to pick up the full-size one. This is the Caudalie Grape water in the 7.1 ounce one. So this whole thing is $18, and then the 2.7 ounce is $10. So literally you're getting like double, and it's only $8 more. So if you're gonna purchase this, definitely just splurge, spend the 18, get the big one. I am obsessed with this water. Like seriously, you don't need this. Like I'm not telling you, oh my god, like you need this, but you need this, if you understand what I'm trying to say. Like this has changed my skincare game. Like I go in with my Belief Aqua Bomb toner at night. I'll go in with that, and then like that dries pretty quickly. And you know, for your skin to really absorb products, your skin has to be more on the wet side. I will just spray my face with this, air it real quick, make sure it's still kind of damp, go in with my skincare. And not only is this like making my skincare seep into my skin, it's so cooling and refreshing. I literally just want to sit here and just spray myself with this like all day long. Like it's so satisfying, and it makes your skin, like sometimes like when I get out of the shower, like I'm really hot, because I love taking hot showers. Like I'm that girl where I take really hot showers and my skin can be kind of like red and irritated, and I'll just spray it, not really irritated, but it'll just be really hot. I don't know why I said irritated, but it'll just be really hot from like the steam and stuff, and I'll spray this on there and I'll just instantly like cool down. Like it is just a great product. So if you want to be a little fancy in your skincare, I highly recommend this. I am obsessing over it. So let's discuss the little concoction I have on my eyes right now. So I saw Michaela, of course. She literally influences me for like my whole life. Like my whole life is influenced like by her. She's currently like my favorite influencer. Like I'm obsessed with her, love her. But anyway, so she just did a video on TikTok of the Makeup by Mario Master Metals palette, and she used hold on, this box is almost impossible to open. Did a whole video using this eyeshadow palette. This, like I said, this is the Master Metals palette, and mine is obviously dirty because I used it today, but these colors are freaking gorgeous. And the reason I was so intrigued by this is because I've never even heard of this type of product before, but I was very intrigued once I did. This is also from Makeup by Mario. This is the Master Metal Manipulator. So this is the Master Metal palette. This is the Master Metal Manipulator. So pretty much what you do with this is you'll scrape some of the eyeshadow into the pan. That's why you saw it look a little funny. I'll show you right now. So you'll scrape, so the Master Manipulator comes with this little scraper, and you'll scrape whichever shadow you want into that little pan. And it's cool because this pan comes out so you can clean it. Like so innovative and so creative. Like I love when a pro makeup artist launches a makeup line, because you know it's just going to be unlike any other like brand and product out there. And like that's how I feel like Mario's brand is. It's just so like above and beyond. Like I'm obsessed. So this is a little dropper thing. I'll show you, hold on, there's so much happening. So this is what it looks like. So pretty much you'll just, let me close it all the way so it doesn't spill. So you'll just take it, drop it into the shadow, mix it with a little spatula, and then you have like a little like taste of like aluminum foil action happening. I did a TikTok on this as well, so definitely make sure you're following me on there so you can see what it looks like. Because when it looks like, you guys, it looks like metal. Like literally Master Metals is the perfect name for this because it looks like metal, it looks like aluminum, like it's just like glistening, like obsessed. So I was just browsing the Just Arrived section at Sephora. I swear to you, I spent a good majority of my life browsing that section on the app. Like it's just like, I'm bored. I don't go on Instagram. I go on the Just Arrived section at Sephora and I just sit there and literally live my best. But anyways, so I saw that the Sephora, like the actual Sephora brand, came out with a line of body lotions, and there was like, I think 5 or 6 of them. It was a pretty decent amount, but they were only available online, so I obviously couldn't smell them. So I picked up, though, I did pick one up because I love lotions. Like, oh my god, like I will just literally, like the amount of lotion that's on the, like to the left of me is absolutely ridiculous, but it's just who I am. So I played it safe because I know that I love cherry blossom. So I picked up the Sephora body lotion in cherry blossom, and it's not like a crazy scent. I haven't taken the wrapping off yet, that's why I'm opening this, but it's like a nice, like soft scent. It's very soft, but it definitely smells like cherry blossom, but like not super intense. Like, you know, Japanese cherry blossom by Bath & Body Works. I feel like that's like a cult favorite I feel like everybody knows that scent. But it smells like that, but not as strong, if that makes sense. So I'm really excited to see how this is. I'll probably put some on after I finish filming this video because I am really excited to try that. The next 3 products were actually influenced by Casey Holmes. I was watching her the other night on YouTube. She was doing a Sephora haul and she talked about 2 out of these 3 products actually. But I literally immediately went on the app and I was like, all right, order, like done. Okay, so the first product is from Huda Beauty. This is like a power duo. So it's Huda Beauty and Kayali. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. It's her perfume line, obviously by Huda. So it's a little travel size or mini perfume with a lipstick, and it says it's a $35 value, but it was only $28, and I have been dying to try some of her perfumes, but they're not available in my Sephora, so I never know what they smell like. So I've never smelled one ever, and I refuse to spend $80 on a perfume or $100 on a perfume where I don't know what it's gonna smell like. That's just like annoying to me. So I was like, this is the perfect way to test out this brand finally. So it's so cute. So obviously you get the perfume. This is what it looks like. Beautiful. You get it in the scent Deja Vu White Flower, and it's more like, I can't decide if I like it. I did spray it on myself before, and I'm still, oh, actually, this is definitely like a me scent. This is very like a nighttime-y, kind of musty, or yeah, I guess that's what I would describe it as. It doesn't really say. This is definitely like a me scent. And I can't smell it through here. I can only really smell it on my sleeve. But now that it's like settled in, when I first sprayed it, I wasn't 100% sure if I liked it. And now that it's settled, I am into this, definitely. And then it comes with a lipstick, which is like a double win because, hello, that's so cool. So it's a little mini lipstick in the shade Interview, and this is what it looks like. And I am not mad about this shade. Like a beautiful shade. Let me swatch it. Okay, like, yeah, that's a perfect, like, everyday, like, neutral shade. Beautiful. Love that. I'm really excited that now they're offering like these little mini little travel sizes, even though $28 for one of these is absolutely like ridiculous, but it gives you more, like the buyer, more of an option to try and not like totally go broke trying to do it. You know what I mean? Because her perfumes are just so satisfying to look at, and I feel like they have so much hype around them, but like I said, they're not available in my Sephora, and I'm not spending $100 just to try a perfume. Like, no thank you. So the next one, every single miniature version of like one of her perfumes was sold out. So literally I was only able to get my hands on one other one, which is in the scent Musk. So, oh, it has lotus flower, jasmine, musk, vanilla, and sandalwood. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Just looks like that. This one, it smells like baby powder to me. I sprayed it over here, I think. I don't remember where I sprayed this one, but this one definitely smells and reminds me of baby powder. So I'm not mad at this one. I'm just really excited that now I finally have 2 of them where I can actually like see if I like them or not. So super exciting. But so far I sprayed both of them and I am loving both. Okay, so the last thing I didn't actually purchase, it is actually like a point option, but it's a almost like a full-size point option. Let me explain, okay? So Casey was talking about Alien and how she loves that perfume, and in the 200, it was like 250 points, they were giving you a travel size of Alien Goddess. So years ago, like I'm talking like 2014, 2015, Alien was my go-to perfume. It was the only perfume that I wore. Like I wore it non-stop. So when I smell it now, I'm like, okay, like this reminds me of like being 19, 20, like 21 type days, but I still love that perfume. But I think this is new. This is Alien Goddess, and you get a full travel size. So when I said before, like full size, it's not full size, but this is a full travel size perfume. This is probably like $25 in itself, or like at least $34. I'm pretty sure Alien, like Mugler's travel size perfumes are like $34. So for 250 points, I'm not mad at it. Like I'm real excited right now. So this is what it looks like. And it smells amazing. It doesn't smell anything like the original Alien, in my opinion. Like, not even like in the slightest, but it just smells so good. And I'm so freaking hyped that I got this for 250 points. Like, I was trying to save my points. I'm like trying to save it, because I think if you get to a certain amount, you get like a $100 gift card, which I'm definitely trying to get for myself. But I saw this and I was like, for 250 points, I am 1000% using them on this, because that's freaking awesome. So if it's still available and you have 250 points to spare at Sephora, I highly recommend you spend them and get this perfume. So I really thought this video wouldn't be 20 minutes, but here we are. We're about 19 minutes into the video, so it's definitely going to be a long haul. Of course, I can never just like shut my mouth. Like I've noticed that on TikTok, like I still think that like I'm filming like a however long video I want. Meanwhile, I'm filming a 60-second video, so I kind of gotta like stop the rambling and like get to like doing what I'm like there to do. And I still find myself where like I film like a whole like TikTok and I'm like, wow, I really spoke a lot about like whatever in the beginning. Like I'm such like a used to being like a YouTuber and just talking for however long I want, like what I'm doing right now. I'm just gonna stop, okay? I'm just gonna stop talking. But that is all I have for you guys in today's video. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know if you've ever tried any of Huda's perfumes and what you think. So sorry, I'm literally sitting here and my stomach is just growling because I'm so freaking hungry right now. I need to like get out of here and go get myself some food. But yeah, let me know if you've tried any of her perfumes and what you guys think. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video.